Do you take the time to review your Facebook performance to see which posts do best and apply it to your Facebook strategy? Analysing your Facebook posts to see how they are doing is the best way to improve performance, focus on what works, and save you time. Hi, I'm Pamela, and in this video I will show you how to view and analyse your Facebook posts to learn what your followers care about and what influences their booking decisions. Let's get started. First, jump into your Facebook business page, preferably on your desktop, as the mobile app doesn't have as much data. Go to your insights, which will give you the basic overview of your Facebook performance. Here you will see a summary of the main highlights: how many people have liked your page, how many likes and comments and shares your posts have gotten, and one of the most important things to look at, how many people have visited your website. Moving on to your posts, you can find out how they performed by filtering by reach or engagement. Reach is the number of people who saw your post at least once, and engagement means the number of times people have liked your post, commented, shared, or viewed, or clicked on them. By totaling your monthly engagement or reach and dividing it by the number of posts you publish, you'll get the average reach or engagement. Then look at the posts that got higher than your average number, and you'll want to create more content like this in the future. Content that usually works well on Facebook include posts with people in them, because it humanizes your brand and shows others that people have visited your business and enjoyed the experience. Maybe the caption was funny or helpful. Humor or having a really great information in your post is a good way to boost your Facebook engagement. Telling a story through pictures or videos is another type of post that can perform well on Facebook, as people are more likely to like it or share it with their friends. It's also good to look at the posts that didn't reach or engage as many people. What are the patterns here, and what did you do differently in those posts compared to your highest performing ones? Sometimes you need to post information that is not really entertaining, but essential for your customers to know. For example, you have to close on Monday. To ensure these posts are still appealing, you could use an eye-catching graphic or a funny image. One last section you should have a look at when analysing your Facebook page is your audience. You can see how many people are following you and their gender and ages. This can help you to know who you are talking to and what to consider when creating your content. You can also see cities and countries that they're from and use this information, for example, if you want to run an ad and target people from a particular location that you know are interested in your business. This last section shows you how many people are following you on either Facebook or Instagram, and how many are following you on both. This could be a great opportunity for you to ask people to follow you so they can stay up to date with your business on your other page. You should regularly analyse your Facebook performance to keep on top of what is working well and how you can improve it to ultimately get more customers for your tourism business. And there you have it. In other videos, we will cover how you can run a simple ad campaign on Instagram and Facebook, and how to create a Facebook event. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at faultireland.ie.